Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I just finished a much needed quick jog around the neighborhood here, and something that really kind of blew my mind was just how bad henbit is right now. Just doing a quick jog around this neighborhood. I snuck some pictures of a few yards. I'm going to post them here. It is absolutely rampant right now. Henbit is popping up all over. And what you need to know, what you have to understand, is that's just the tip of the iceberg. That's a result of not getting your pre-emergent down in the fall. That's why you have this henbit coming up. But come spring, come summer, if you don't get a pre-emergent out right now, the same thing is going to happen. It's just going to be a different weed. It's going to be a harder weed to kill. Henbit's pretty easy to kill. It also will die off once it warms up. But the weeds that are coming, the ones that are coming in the spring and in the summer, they're a lot harder to kill, a lot harder to deal with. You don't want to deal with them. You've got to get your pre-emergent out. So take a good look at those pictures. And if you don't want your yard to look like that later on in the year, make sure you get out there and get your pre-emergent done. We've got about 4 weeks left until the deadline. End of February is really the latest you want to go. So if you need help with that, let us know. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks. Bye.